Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and setup on my new Botslab 4-channel dash cam. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting it out for views. Let's go take a look at it. It's really great to have if you're constantly traveling or just trying to be pretty precautious. These are good to have. Alright. So right off the bat, you get 128 gigs, which is probably the highest I've seen on a dash cam. That comes included. The dash cam itself, look at that display, very, very nice. Got a Type-C on both sides. And right here you get one of the side cameras, which I believe just clicks into place. And it is magnetic as well, so there it is. And then here's the other one, which we'll go ahead and put two. If you don't know, like I said, they are magnetic and it's literally good to go. And you are able to angle these however you like. You also get the backup camera, so that'll make it the 4 channels right there. Then some tools for the installation, as well as the power cable that plugs into the cigarette lighter. This one does have another USB port, and then the Type-C to power it up. Right in here are the instruction manuals with cleaning cloths and more double-sided tape, so that way if that one starts to kind of wear down, you can always install another one on there. So also go ahead and install the SD card now. So we're gonna take this out and we'll go ahead and install the SD card right up top, just like that. Go ahead and actually put it in the car and see how it works. So first you're going to want to go ahead and download the Botslab app. And then the way I set mine up, I actually added it manually. So I just went into the dash cam option and then it'll pull up the Bluetooth device. So all you just got to make sure is that the camera is plugged in and ready to go. Then it will find your camera, as you can see. And you can go ahead and name it and select it. I did have to go ahead and download an update package, which I didn't mind because I want to make sure that it has the most current software and firmware on there. Once that's done, you can see you can access the different albums, view replays, or anything like that. All right, and that's what the camera looks like once you actually have it connected. That quality on that display is really good. As you can see all 3 cameras. I'll show the backup camera here in a second, but I just wanted you to see the first 3 that already come on there. So let's go ahead and actually take it for a test drive and see how it looks. And then the one thing I didn't want to point out is once you remove that plastic, you just stick it on there wherever part of the vehicle you like. You connect the cable that they give you right on here, and it's literally good to go. It's plug and play, and I just showed you how to set it up through the app. So now let's go ahead and actually take it for a test drive. As you can see, the dash cam is recording from 3 of the angles right now, and then we'll hook up the dash cam at the end. It'll give you a full 560 degree of coverage around the entire vehicle. What's impressive is all 4 cameras can record at the same time, so you don't miss anything, no blind spots, no guessing. The quality is sharp. The front camera shoots in 3K and the sides and rear record in 1080p, so license plate signs and road conditions are easy to read even while driving. Whether it's a traffic stop, a parking lot bump, or just daily driving, you have proof from every direction. You also have the option to switch modes depending on your needs. If you're not using the side cameras, you can run it as a 3-channel setup or drop it to a 2-channel with just the front and the rear cameras, and it automatically adjusts the recording resolution to make the most of your storage. The touchscreen is 3.1 inches and it's responsive, easy to swipe, tap, and change settings without digging through menus. But you don't even have to touch it most of the time because it supports voice commands too. You can say things like take a photo or lock video and it responds instantly without needing to take your hands off the wheel. One thing that really sets it apart is the night vision. It uses infrared LED, so with its low light and bright lights or total darkness, the footage stays clear. The side cameras even pick up detail in dark alleys or parking lots which most dash cams miss. There is a 24/7 parking mode, which gives you 3 smart options: time-lapse, sentry motion detection, and collision-triggered recording. If you purchase a hardwiring kit to go with it, it can monitor your vehicle around the clock without draining your battery. It even locks 8 seconds of footage before the impact happens, so you don't just see what happened after, but it will also show what led up to it. The built-in GPS logs your exact speed and location, and you can replay your full drive with route overlays using their software. It's perfect if you need evidence after an incident or just want to review your trip. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the backup camera now. Like I said, this one should be pretty simple. It should just be a plug and play, so it's gonna actually hook it up. The cable is pretty long, so you should just be able to run it through here, but it's gonna actually see the quality of the camera. As for the rear camera, it gives you a wide 150-degree view behind the car. It's crystal clear when backing into tight spots and also records on the road, especially useful for rear end incidents or if someone's tailgating. The clarity is solid day and night, and I haven't noticed any drop in quality in bad weather. The camera can handle extreme heat and cold and is designed to prevent data loss if there is a sudden power cut. It's rated to operate between -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to all the way up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're parked in the sun or driving through freezing temps, it's built for real world conditions. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. And if you guys are looking for a new 4-channel dash cam, make sure you guys look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.